Hello everybody. Today I shall tell you about books, whatever books we follow in bridges. What I have decided, instead of going for a specific one reinforced concrete road bridges, and you will not find out in any one book specific one, because there are so many other that types of bridges also will be there with different materials. But since we have considered a specific one, reinforced concrete road bridges, which are very common, so I thought I should give you that books whatever available. Rather I should say that whatever books I generally follow, I should share, though there are so many other books are also available. So considering that aspect, I shall give you in general just books and course on bridge engineering. I am not giving in, already I have told regarding reinforced concrete road bridges, but I feel it appropriate to inform you regarding the overall content of bridge engineering, and definitely it will help you, and you will be able to know out of this course also that what are the other types of bridges, what are the different books available that you can find out. So, let me tell you the books, rather not a single book, do not get scared, and a tower of books, as you can understand that one starting from different kind of things, it is not a good idea to scare people. But anyway, I thought it will be appropriate to show you the tower of books whatever we follow. There are many more actually, that if you just keep on adding, possibly it will touch the ceiling of my room. But anyway, I have given a part of it, and why I have given like this, because just simply given name of the books, it does not make sense, and it is not appealing too. So, if we can get the photograph nowadays in the digital India, if you can find out that one, that if I can put it everything in this form, it will be more appealing, I feel so. Coming to that one here, there are so many books available here, and just I thought bridge engineering, concrete bridge practice, highway design of steel concrete. I have given just, I have dumped it here one after, not there is no such sequence, no such one which on top, which on that one first, or which one big, not like that. So, I have kept it in general coming to that one, or rather I can say considering the dimension of the book. So, coming to this particular one point, what I would like to say that that books mentioned are for the full course on bridge engineering, that what I have already mentioned, and this is your the whole list of books available, and let us see one by one those books whatever you can find out. So, coming to that one here, that bridge engineering second edition, this book is the general one you will find out, design development. So, general idea you will get it, maintenance of modern highway bridges, so everything you will get it. So, this is mainly you can consider say road bridges, where you will have pre-stressing is there, box also will be there, other than slab bridge or reinforced concrete T-beam bridges. This one highway bridges, this is actually Barker and Puckett, this is also very famous book. You can find out this book, this is very good book actually, that you can find out, get an idea of that. As I have told you that I would like to give you the different kinds of books, and steel concrete composite bridges, though it is not relevant to this particular course, because we have taken a very small subset of bridge engineering, because within this period, because if we make the whole thing, then it may be difficult for you to digest. So, let us take the first one, that whatever very common, that we shall take it, and gradually if you are interested from this, out of this course, you will be able to go ahead, that how to move forward, that also I feel so that you will be able to understand that. So, design of steel concrete composite bridges, that is the one, the other one, as I have told you, not in sequence, but I have given that particular book also, that is also very good book that you can find out. And as we all know that that you require that reinforced concrete design. So, you should know the principle how to design. So, that way we have found that there are many more books are available in the market, and all books are good, that any book you can take it and you can go ahead. But this book I found is very good, and I have used it also, and in my earlier video on design of reinforced concrete structures also I have extensively followed this book. So, limited design of reinforced concrete, this particular book actually that is also you can find out, because you have to, whenever you are designing, then obviously you should have that accompanying book, because the detail of that design principle, other things are not given in the bridge engineering. So, you should have one reinforced concrete design book. So, that way this book is very good and you can use it. Now, as I have told you, the steel structures, that is also another one, design of steel structures by Arya Najmani, that is a very famous book. I do not know whether it is, because now with the new code, of course, the new code, of course, that you can say that particular one may be obsolete, but I feel that one, this book will never be obsolete. You can always go back and see the principle, how they have solved the problem, and you can go ahead with that. So, this book also very good, that particular one here. This limited design of steel structure by S.K. Duggal, that is also very good. This is the one, because now that your 800, that IS 800 following limited design. So, that way you can find out this book we have found, it is very good, that book, that way. Pre-stressed concrete structures, that Dwayaratnam, that is for pre-stressed concrete, because reinforced concrete, after that pre-stressed concrete comes, and many such books are available, foreign books are available, and then, but this book is very good, that way it is written. So, we can follow this book. There are plenty other books are available. Principles of foundation engineering, I have taken this one because I found little bit easy. So, that way I found, otherwise you can use that Bowell's other books also you can follow. There are many more other books also you can follow, but just start with you can consider this particular book, you can take it, particularly for retaining wall, other things you can, that means abutment design, other places you can use this particular book, the problems whatever given, that you can find out. Design of bridge structures, this is a very popular book so far. I find that one very popular, that Jagdish and Jayaram, that is very popular book and very good, well written. So, and it is main thing is that the book is not so thick. So, it is for a semester system, obviously you know the book, if it is more than 300 pages or something little more, obviously sometimes it becomes repelling. That way this book actually, it will be very much actually attracting. So, it will, you will be tempted to go buy this book possibly. Bridge engineering from practical point of view by Punuswamy, this book, that I find this is really very good book. From practical point of view we can find out, and it is worth having this book. Finally, Essentials of Bridge Engineering, this is a very old book. I have also followed in my BTech time. So, that way we can find out this book is very good, you can actually use it. So, these are the books whatever actually I can tell, that I thought that it is better to show you the figure photograph rather than just simply give the name. So, that it will be very much catchy, you can understand, you can see and you can feel that which book you are going to purchase. So, these are the books whatever I follow generally, that I have given, but the thing is that if you find any other book in the market, definitely it is worth, when it is published you can understand, definitely it is worth buying and follow that book. Now, let me give you a little bit, since I have told you that book. So, bridge engineering, whenever you are telling, so okay, that concrete bridge practice, V.K. Raina, and this is really very good book. It is and lot of things are available and very experienced, written by an experienced person, and this book is really very good from the practical point of view. Many more things you can get it out of it. Now, coming to this one here, that you can find out, but it may be that for this course reinforced concrete one it will be too much. Only thing I have given it as a reference. Mainly I can say that this one and this one will be sufficient, that few chapters only, not the full book, for this particular course reinforced concrete road bridges, that will be sufficient. And that one you can find out the chapters that for the solid slab and for reinforced concrete T-beam bridges. You can take that one and that will be sufficient for that, and then IRC loading, other things also you can find out. So, coming to this one here, this book, that if you really do something you say practice, then for that obviously this book will be very good. He has plenty of books on bridges, that was maintenance, for other cases also you can find out. But anyway, but for this course may be too much, but I have given this one as a reference. Now, just to complete that one, that course on bridge engineering and where we stand regarding this particular course concerned, that I should mention. So, that is my another objective, because this course, you do not think that this course is the complete course on bridge engineering. No, it is a very part, one part, 25% you can say that in your that bridge engineering course. So, coming to that particular one here, we can see I have given that one the number of hours on the basis of that whatever actually you require for a semester. Generally we consider in a semester that lectures of say 48 hours lecture and tutorial another 12 hours say. So, that is the one generally we get it in a semester. So, if we consider actually 310 course, the 3 lectures 1 tutorial, then you will get actually, and that should be considered as 48 hours, and depending on the semester it can go up to 60 hours also you can get it. In one semester you can get 60 hours something, another semester you may get little less, maybe 50 hours something like that in a semester you can get for a particular course. I am talking 310 course. So, coming to this one here, I would like to say that I have given that module wise say A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. So, these are the modules that we can make it 8 modules you can make it. Out of that, A module means introduction, classification of bridges, planning, like that you can consider, that is A, and maybe 4 hours, that means 1 week will be sufficient. Then B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, that is the one you are having, that is for the reinforced concrete road bridges, though it looks like little tight because regarding problem solving other things, but the objective is that problem solving you can do it. If you understand the understand that one, then you can do it on your own, you can find out. Basic objective is that where to start, how to move, that is the thing in a particular course. It is not the one that all the problems will be solved, but how to solve the problem, that is more important in a course, and you will be able to do it on your own. So, coming to this one here, so B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, that we can say reinforced concrete road bridges, that is the one introduction we can say. Indian road concrete, that we will say codes, loading, different codes, say code number 5, code number 6, code number 112 for reinforced concrete, and loading IRC 6 loading. So, those things should also discuss. Concept of design of reinforced concrete elements, that one mainly say by P.C. Varghese book or any other book by working stress method or your limit state method, that one you can find out that particular one. At least you should have certain kind of, because the thing is that you have studied long back, maybe not in the same semester, because maybe you are taking in the third semester, third year or fourth year, or rather I can say 6th or 7th or 8th year semester. So, in that case you should have certain kind of recapitulation on that. So, that is why you need certain time for that, and what exactly we have given for that. Reinforced concrete solid slab bridges, that we should have that one, and then reinforced concrete T-beam bridges. So, that means we can have a breakup like that, and in a semester we can take it, and so that means we have considered this B module we can say for this particular course. Then substructures and foundations, that is also another one, because initially after reinforced concrete you can have this one, which also mainly say nowadays reinforced concrete only. So, you can have this one, then say pre-stressed concrete bridges, that one you can have. Pre-stressed concrete can be a one separate course in a semester. At the same time, because it is very difficult to cover all the courses. So, that is why the pre-stressed concrete can have two approaches, two different avenues. One is called for buildings, another one is called for bridges. So, this particular one for almost say 8 hours, that can be given extensively to go through the pre-stressed concrete bridges with an introduction to pre-stressed concrete, the basic introduction. Then E slot mainly, E module mainly say for your steel only. So, railway bridges, and which you have separately given, though it can be used for road also, road bridges also, but these are here I have kept it separately, that one for the railway bridges. So, railway bridges and Indian Railway Code, steel truss bridges, plate girder bridges, that we can consider, those things actually comes under that. It is extensively used for that, even you can use it for the road bridges also. Now, coming say steel concrete composite bridges, that means reinforced concrete and steel. So, that is the combination, and that one can come. Then another one is coming say cable supported bridges, that you should know, that means say cable stayed bridges and suspension bridges, that we should also know. That is why I have to learn in general I have told that is a cable supported bridges. So, that one we can consider, and finally, that bridge maintenance, that is one. Nowadays that high speed rail will come in a big way in our country. So, we should know what are the things we should know, that high speed rail and closure. So, that means here 52 hours may be little bit tight, but main objective for this course you can say that what I would like to say for bridge engineering, that you are showing the avenue of different direction, you are showing to the students or whoever interested, to them you are showing, so that he can go ahead. It is not like that he will know everything in a particular course, but at least he will know that how to begin, how to move forward, that he will come to know in that particular way. So, this is the one I feel that I should show you that the complete picture of bridge engineering. With this I have taken this one, though it does not come under the your say this particular course directly, but if I just simply give say few chapters of a particular book, that these are the things in your syllabus, it does not give proper say test. So, you should know the whole thing, and out of that you know, yes, now I am actually learning only this much, and that is that should be the objective, that should be the your idea. With this I conclude. So, thank you very much.